Check out this sofa love seat. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is an amazing love seat. It's a very wide type love seat. You can fit about 3 people on here. And it's just a really comfortable style. It's very sturdy. And I also do like about these edges that these are pretty wide to sit on as well. So they are armrests, but if you wanted to place, if you wanted someone else to sit on the armrest, you absolutely could. So this is so comfortable. The cushions are so soft. And again, it's just a very wide love seat. So it's not technically a sofa, but you do have the full style with this as well. And we put some throw pillows on there as that really liven it up too. And again, it's just, you can fit, if you wanted to, you could probably fit like 5 people on this, even though it's a love seat. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.